Welcome to my channel. Today's home remedy anti-aging cream. Take a bowl. Rose water 1 tablespoon. Almond oil 1 tablespoon. Aloe vera gel 1 tablespoon. Green tea decoction 2 teaspoon. Rose essential oil 6 drops. Mix well. Transfer in a container. Benefits of the product: helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, provides deep hydration, rich in antioxidants, improves skin texture, supports skin elasticity, soothes and refreshes the skin, promotes natural glow. Apply in circular motion. See the difference in between 2 to 3 days. Now the anti-aging cream is ready to use.